Hi, I'm Trigny, and I'm excited to be debuting FLATS' newest property, the Duncan. Located in the West Loop, Duncan gets its name from its past as a YMCA. The first thing you'll notice is the grand lobby, a great place to set up and get some work done, or to find a hiding spot and lounge the day away. A mixture of leather and velvet furnishings and dim lighting make this one of the coziest spots in town. Walk up the stairs to be greeted by a friendly FLATS staff member. FROTH is a new coffee shop which focuses on a cocktail approach towards coffee. Each drink is handcrafted and paired with breakfast or lunch items. FROTH is open to the public and features indoor and outdoor seating. Here at the corner of Ashland and Monroe, you are walking distance from the blue, green, and pink line trains. This is FLATS' first West Loop location, nestled between Fulton Market and the Medical District. From the Duncan, it's a short walk to countless restaurants and nightlife options. There is no shortage of outdoor space on the block as we're right next to Skinner Park and the Michelle Obama Athletic Complex. You can play tennis, baseball, and basketball on the public courts. For your four-legged roommates, we have an on-site dog run, or there's a dog park just a few blocks away. There's something for everyone here at the Duncan. Apartments here feature in-unit laundry, dishwasher, original flooring, exposed brick, and subway tile. Thank you for joining us on this overview of FLATS' newest property, the Duncan. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos of amenities and apartment tours.